So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, you can see this is my AdSense account, and this AdSense account have very good CPC. So also you can see I will show you my RPM and CPC is very good. But if you see, this AdSense account is one of AdSense account that I get recently from my customer for AdSense arbitrage, but its CPC is very low. Okay, if I do today so far, you can see there's a 00 CPC, even not single cent. Okay, so if I choose 28 days, you can see is only 11 cent CPC. So how we can increase it and how we can block low CPC ads? Today I will guide you each and everything from very basic to advanced. First we have to learn the concept, which concept that work to earn money through Google Ads. The first one is CPC or clicks. These are both method to earn our money. Let's say here you can see there is a 11 cent CPC. If I get one click, okay, I will earn 11 cent. If I get two clicks, I will earn 22 cent. Okay, so if I have $1 CPC, if I got one click, I will earn $1. If I have $5 CPC, I will, if I get one click, I will earn $5. So this is how this concept is work. And the second one is RPM. RPM, if we get 1000 views on our ads, okay, not page views, no impression, ad views. If we get 1000 ad views, so what is our RPM is? Here you can see this RPM is very low, but I will work on it and I will take this RPM at least up to $50, and our CPC will go up to $5. And I will guide you everything, but I will guide you about concept. So this is the single concept, that these two things are responsible for our earning. Okay, so we have to work on two things for our increasing our AdSense revenue. So now the first thing you have to do is basically you have to learn this concept. Second thing, if you want to increase your CPC, you have to publish high CPC content in your AdSense account. Okay, I will guide you, but now we start. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to reports. Now as you go to reports, you have to done one thing, that you open a duplicate page, because it will help you. Okay, this is the same pages, but you have to go different directions. Now go down, and right here you can see the ad networks. Just click here. As you click here, you have to do two things. Just click here on last 30 days and click here, and make sure you have CPC here. So yes, there is a CPC, because our most of the work is a CPC. Okay, so add CPC right here and go down, and here you can see the ad networks. Click on ad networks, go down. So this is the all ad networks. Some of the have high CPC. Here you can see Google AdWords have 9 plus CPC. Okay, so here you can see this ad network is only 1 cent CPC. So we have to block this. All of the ad networks we have to block that have very low CPC. So if you block this ad networks, in somewhere in your mind you think that maybe ad not showing on my site, but don't close those ads, don't block those ads that have a good CPC. Okay, so I will show you. So this one is a black area, is a low value ads. This one is a mixed ads, okay, and there are a green area that have very high CPC. No matter you just block all the low or mixed ad, however ad will show in your AdSense account, okay, no matter what. Okay, so when you close those ads, only good ads will show in your website, like high CPC ads show on your sites. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. Look, close low or mixed ad, only high CPC ad will be there. So I will let you know how to do it. So let's say we have to block this ad network. Okay, just copy the name and go back to your, open a new window and open your AdSense account, and here you can see band and safety. Just click here, and here you can see blocking and control. Just click here, and here you can see the ad network, and here you can see manage ad networks. Just click here, and now here you can just search for those ad networks that have very low CPC. Click to search, and right now here you can see this is the ad network. Right here you can see this show low CPC ads. Just we close this, just we ban it, and close it. Okay, so this is how you can remove low CPC ad from your website, and you will earn money through it. So increasing the CPC is a totally different work. When okay, so the first one we will clear this. You can remove all low CPC ads in your AdSense account. Don't worry, there is no ad limit, there is no anything. Your ad will show in your AdSense account. So now guys, we are talk about how we can increase our CPC, because blocking the low CPC ad is a different thing, and increasing a CPC, it's a different thing. So first thing you have to do is you have to write high CPC content in your AdSense account. High CPC content mean use this different kind of keyword that people search in Google, or they have very high CPC. I will show you some keyword or some ideas. In every category you will find your website is on mobile category, is in a educational category. There is a keyword that very high CPC. Like here, this is a keyword, and here you can see $21 is a CPC. Here you can see very easily understand. So those are the keywords, and this is the CPC. Okay, so if you use this kind of keyword, your CPC is automatically go to $36. Okay, this is not $36 you get in one click, but let's say $20 you will get. Also there are different keywords. Let's say this is my car insurance keyword. Here you can see okay, so this is very high CPC, $85 CPC. And if you use this keyword, your CPC will be there at least up to $50. Here you can see the CPC here is $85. So this is, if you use this keyword, your CPC automatically go higher. So this is how it works. This is the one concept. The other concept is not only your website or AdSense optimized for high CPC content. The person who visits your website, let's say I visit your website, this is your website and I visit. There is a cookies in my browser. This browser that I using, they have cookies in every single browser, in every single search engine. You use Google Ads, you use Instagram, you use TikTok, you use YouTube, you use Google or any other platform that show ads. Every platform will show you ad related to what you search on Google, what is your interest, what is, let's say you like shoes videos, you love to watch shoes stores, you search every time for shoes, you you like the story that have shoes. So when they are see you like doing this, they, the Google algorithm that work on Google bots or algorithm, AI, everything, they will understand you and they will show you ad related to your taste. So when you get the ad, this kind of ad that you have already interested on it, so every time if you go to random browser and use proxy to click on your AdSense account or increase your earning, there's no way, no chance to do it. Google will reduce your click on invalid click, this kind of issues. But if you want to do safe AdSense arbitrage or you want to earn money, you have to make sure that your profile is old and your profile have a very long history, at least 20 days, and then you can go and click, then you will be able to earn this money. This is the only way to do AdSense arbitrage or make money through your ad network. Also I share I have a complete course on it, AdSense arbitrage. If you want, you can contact me. I have my contacts in my profile. So this is the video guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question or query, you can ask me anytime.